Buttram, Lafayette Fire Department, and this is our 2013 100-foot aerial platform built by Pierce Manufacturing up in Appleton, Wisconsin. So this truck is used for all of our elevated operations. It's used to be able to get up into the air and be able to put large amounts of water down on the ground. About 2,000 gallons a minute is what we can flow to the two nozzles up in the front, which we'll show you later. So we'll start here at the front of the truck and work our way around. Of course, this is the driver's area. This is where the firefighters sit back here in the back, and they have some equipment. They got their air packs and their flashlights back there. So this is our pump panel. This is where we can open and close valves to be able to get water down the hose lines or to send water up the aerial platform. So this is a 2,000 gallon a minute pump, which is one of the largest pumps on the department, and it'll move a lot of water. So as you can see, we got all kinds of different adapters that the operator that works this area, he has adapters that he can adapt up or down to different sizes of hoses that we use. So we use a 2.5 and we use an 1 3/4. So there's a difference. So sometimes we have to adapt up or down. We have on this truck is also a big generator, so we can't plug into somebody's house when we get there. So this truck has a 10,000 kilowatt generator on it, and we can run lighting. We can also run lights off the end of the aerial platform, and then we also have the ability to pull a electric line in to be able to run a fan or to run any kind of electrical appliances we need in a house if we have to shut the power down. So this is what we call the operators. This is the operators compartment. Cones that we put down when we're out on the street. We put the cones down to warn people that we're going to be tracking. We also have this really nice pull-out board. It's got more adapters on it for the operator, along with several different sizes of hoses, depending on what the operator needs as far as water. Have all kinds. Since it's a ladder truck, we also have all different sizes of ladders. We'll show you a few more of those as we get back to the back of the truck. So this is a high-rise pack. This is the pack that the firefighters use when they go into a high-rise, a multi-story building. They'll carry this with them. And this is kind of like they take their hose line with them and then they connect into the building, because the building should have a sprinkler system in it if it's more than 5 stories. They're more than 3 stories. So some of the other, here's some more of the cord reels that we use just to extend the power that I showed you earlier, to extend that into even a little farther. One of them actually has a light on the end of it, so we can set that up. We also carry extinguishers on this truck. We carry a dry powder and a CO2. The CO2 is really good for like kitchen fires or stove fires. And we also carry the ABC, all kinds of different tools. This is actually a foam pack, so it's made to help us to put out like Class A fires, which are like wood or maybe even like a wildland fire is what we would use that for. Tarps, we carry all kinds of different sizes of tarps in case we need to cover something up or to do some salvage or overhaul operations. We want to cover up maybe furniture or things inside a house. We want to salvage what we can for the people that had to fire. So all around here is our complement of ladders, and we also have pipe poles, all different sizes of pipe poles that we carry with us, and they're all carried in these slots. So we have all different sizes of pipe poles that we carry with us when we go in to put out a fire, or we have to go in and do what we call a salvage and overhaul operation. And this has several different sizes of ladders that get deployed out of the back of this truck. So all around here is some more equipment that we use. You know, the firefighters, when they get up on a roof, if we have to ventilate a roof or open the roof up to be able to cut the hole in the roof, so we use this saw is set up just like a chainsaw, but it has special points on it, and those are designed to cut through wood shingles. But we also have another saw back here that's set up to cut through a metal roof. So if we have a metal roof we got to get through, they'll take that saw with them. Different types of, these are actually what we call hose rollers that we put on the side of a building. They'll roll a hose over the side of it, or a piece of rope if we're rappelling off the side of the building. Some more lighting that complements what we had on the other side with the hose reel, those the cord reels. Of course, they carry their own gas up here for the saws. And then we have, this is really kind of a neat feature of this truck. These are all the different tools that the firefighters can use. But we also have all kinds of storage back here for all our different tools that we use. So that makes it really nice so that we have a really nice area that's all organized to be able to get the firefighters whatever tools they need. And then also with this truck we also do high-rise rescue or high angle rescue or low angle rescue. So these are all of our ropes and our, as you can see back there in the back, there's some helmets. So all this equipment is for high-rise or low angle rescue, for rope, like a rope type rescue. And we also have another cord reel over here. So, and then this side, this is the other side of the pump panel, and it also has adapters over here, so we don't have to go around the truck to get adapters. We have the same adapters here that we have